Okay, so we'll go back to this now. So loosen this off, bring it ahead. There's a bearing in the back here. This is what the back of your blade runs on when you're pushing the head through wood cutting. Bring this out till it touches, back it off, just a 1/16, just so it's not touching at idle when the blade is spinning with no load. I loosen these are 2.5 mil. The top one, loosen the bottom one off, drop it down, then just push it up till it touches, loosen that one down, let it fall, touch. I run 0 clearance. They recommend to run clearance. I found, for me, it works better at 0 clearance. You know, you can try it, see what works best for you. Do the same to both sides. This one also. When you're done that, this is your tube that comes from your tank. So it's curled up right here. Just uncurl it. Feed it down in there like that. Make sure there's no kinks in it. When you get it down here, it's got a little clip on the end of it. Slide it on over top of your brass hose, and then just slide the clip on. So you can see, just slide it on over that, then squeeze your clip. You'll need 2 hands for that. And then that's for your, what they call a lube tank, but it's the cleaner for your blade.